Hi my sweet IPs, this is Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Innovative People. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated from across the globe. So let's start our today's topic.
A third of the world's population could live in extreme heat by 2070. According to a new study, the Sahara's extreme heat could spread to nearly 20% of the planet Earth. The researchers warned that there will be more change in the next 50 years than in the past. The study, published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, is based on a trove of historical data that goes back 6,000 years ago. The study examines how temperature affects the human habitat. According to the study, for every additional 1 degree centigrade rise in the global temperature, a billion people will either be displaced or forced to live in extreme heat. The researchers warned that in 50 years from now, means in 2070, some areas will be as hot as the hottest parts of the Sahara. These areas are currently home to a third of the world's population. Based on a more optimistic simulation, 1.2 billion people will fall. Humans flourished in this climate niche for at least 6,000 years, but researchers said they did not expect the human species to be so vulnerable. Humanity has mostly lived in regions where the average temperature is around 6 degree to 28 degree. This is the ideal climate for human health and production of food. But this ideal climate region is shrinking because of climate change. Rising temperatures caused by human activity are pushing people into near unlivable extremes. Most future population growth will happen in already hot regions of Africa and Asia. This means that on average humans will experience a temperature increase of 7.5 degrees, putting about 30% of world population in extreme heat. Scientists define extreme heat as an average temperature of 29 degrees centigrades. This is only happens in extremely rare conditions outside the hottest parts of the Sahara. But if global heating is increased by 3 degrees centigrade, 1.2 billion people in India could live in extreme heat. This could also happen to Nigeria, Pakistan, Indonesia and Sudan. Migration is one serious consequence of these extremely high temperatures, especially when food production systems are challenged. The researchers said their findings shed the light on the importance of cutting carbon emissions and working together to cope with migration. If we can avoid 1 degree of warming, a billion people could be saved from falling out of our climate one niche. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge as well. Thank you.